For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing some Ghana fitting braids on natural hair again because I felt like we need to do more in-depth video on this because I just love how the finished look came out for this particular video. And I apologize if the video is a little bit dark because we started recording this video at about 7 p.m. and I totally forgot to turn on my lights because I had a client right after her, so I was just trying to like rush through everything. But first things first, I'm just adding some product to her hair, and then I'm separating the middle to get some more product to saturate down the middle, making it easier for us to do the braids on. And then I take my rat tail comb to kind of smoothen the front part of the hair to kind of have it lay really nice and slick for how we want to start. And of course, what I like to do now is just separate like a little section that I want to start with, just separate it off out of the way, and then just have my hair laid out, you know, in the chair like I have it back there, just kind of working with smaller hair and gradually increasing the size. And I like to start with a little bit of hair as we go. This is just going to create a nice base for the front, and then just continue to braid like a regular 3-strand braid, and then you add a little piece of hair as you go along. And we're not going to be doing the regular fitting because, like I said, the Ghana braids method works so much better for natural hair. As opposed to trying to do the regular fitting on natural hair girls. I just feel like the Ghana braids give it a more clean finish, especially if you have natural hair. It just hides your natural hair inside of the braiding hair, and I just think that's like the coolest thing. So that's what I've been doing lately. And just take your time with how you braid and add hair. And like I said, with this method, the only difference is that you don't leave hair out. It's just, you know, how you place the hair. So you just take a piece of hair, place it over your hands, and then just braid it along with the hair. It's very simple, as opposed to trying to add hair, leave it out, and then braid for the fitting. It's just like a lot. But yeah, this works so much better for natural hair girls, and it's just easier to do. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and just kind of see how I do it, and then we'll speed it up as we go. So you're basically going to be repeating the same thing again for the different sections. Just add some shining gem around the perimeter as well as down the middle, and then just use your comb to smooth in the front, and then you part off a little section that you want to begin braiding with, and then you take a little bit piece of hair, and then you start, and then you add hair as you go. Remember, it's all about placements for this particular method. It's not like the regular fitting. You just when you place the hair, you just braid it right along with the natural hair. You know, very seamless, very easy. It's gonna take a while for you to kind of get used to it, because if you do fitting braids a lot, your fingers are gonna be so used to like doing it that way, so you kind of have to remind yourself to check yourself pretty much. You may have to go back again. Sometimes I forget that I'm doing the Ghana braids, so I have to go back again and redo it, but you know, old habits die hard, so you gotta just keep practicing. But yeah. So when you're done, just finish braiding finish braiding the ends. I like to add a little piece of hair just to kind of elongate it just a little bit longer, because my client is tall, so we wanted it to be, you know, quite long on her. So I just added a little bit of hair, and when you're done with that, just go in with your edge control and then just, you know, add a little cute baby hair on there, just like the little things that make the hairstyle, you know, popping, I guess. Just it's in the details. But yeah, so that's really it. I'm so sorry for the quality. Like I said, it was like evening time. I don't know why I forgot to turn my lights on, but I just did, and I'm so sorry. I recorded this video like a while back, like probably like a month ago, but I'm just not getting around to editing this video. But yeah, I'm so sorry for the quality. You will expect better quality moving forward, okay? So just take a pair of scissors. I'm just cutting off stray hairs, and then I'm gonna take like some of those wraps, and I'm just gonna use it to slick down her edges just so that it stays a little bit longer. And then I'm gonna add some shining jam. What that's gonna do is that it's gonna add some moisture and some shine. Oh, and by the way, it's good to tie it right below the nape when you add that strip on, because it's gonna make sure that it lays nice and flat when you put her under the dryer. But yeah, so go ahead and add your excuse me, go ahead and add your mousse. And I like to use my do-rag. It's like a soap-based do-rag, just apply it on her hair just to kind of, you know, give it a nice smooth finish when we take it out. You know, so just put her under the dryer for, let's say, about 10 minutes max, and then cut off the wraps you put on her perimeter, and that's really it. Oh, and don't forget to dip the ends in hot water. But yeah, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a merry day and God bless.